I'm going to go over how to make your theme just like the live preview. So I'm sure you watched the installation video, and afterwards you were wondering, hey, where's the rest of the content? Well, we can get you started really quick. All we need to do is go into our dashboard, and then we're going to go under Tools, and there's this import option right here, so we're going to click on that. And then we're uploading WordPress files, so we're going to click this WordPress link. And if you haven't done this before, like I haven't, in this demo, you'll need to install a plugin for this. So you can just click Install and then activate plugin and run importer. So once you get that going, you'll be presented with which file do you want to upload. So you can browse your files, and the file that you're going to upload is actually under Additional Files, and it's this Live Preview XML folder. And it should be pretty easy from there because there's only one file in there. So again, that's Additional Files, Live Preview, and then the one file inside there, this .xml file. So we're going to go and open it and click Upload File and Import. And then from here, it's just asking you, you can read over this option. It's just wondering what you want the author to be of this imported data. I'm just going to select an existing user, but you can just do whatever you want for that step. But the important step is just import attachments, and you want to make sure that's selected. That way you get the images when you import the files. So once you click Submit, it really ranges on time. Sometimes it can take a minute or two, but it should really be fairly quick because we didn't put too many images in the import. So I'm just going to let this run live, and you can see that took 15-20 seconds, and it'll let you know when it's done, and it'll say all done, have fun. But if you actually visit your site, it doesn't look too much different. But don't worry, there's just two steps basically that we need to do. All we need to do is assign our menu, so it shows up over here. Then assign our home page, and so because by default it's just your latest blog posts, and then you're all set. So let's go ahead and go under Appearance and Menus, and then you'll probably notice that there's a menu that's already been created, and we imported that. The only difference is, or the only issue is that we need to go under Manage Locations. So click on that tab, and we need to assign that menu to our Themes menu. So there's only really one option, so it should be pretty easy. But if you have a couple other menus, just make note that you'll want to do the main navigation menu. But it'll probably look like ours. There'll only be one option, so go ahead and click Save Changes. And then now when we visit our site, I'm going to open another tab so we can I can show you what's going on. And you can see, hey, we have our navigation up there now. And then the next thing is to set our home page. So we go under Settings and Reading, and instead of your latest posts, you want to click a static page. And so the front page is going to be Home, and the post page, will be Latest News. And that's just setting your home page and your blog page. So we can click Save Changes now. And now when I refresh the site, you'll see we actually have a slider, our navigation's there, our blog is working. And you can just start, we put a bunch of examples in for you so you can see how things are. It's not 100% the live preview, but it's pretty darn close, and you should get tons of good examples like your short codes and all that kind of good stuff. So that is how to import the live preview files.